on? Well, I got a 2021 RAV4 here, and it has the electronic parking brake. And if you want to disable this, if yours comes on every time you put it in park, every time you turn the car off and on, and you want to disable it, or you can keep it off, or you don't have to keep touching this button. It's very simple to turn off. All we need to do is, you can see it's on right now. I have the car running and everything. Just put your foot on the brake, press and hold down the button. It will disengage it, but keep holding it until you get the notification on the cluster here, okay? It says deactivated. Now, every time you start and stop the car, turn it off and on, this will not be on anymore, okay? So you don't have to worry about it, okay? Now, if you want to reactivate it, all we're going to do is go ahead and foot on the brake. Go ahead and engage the parking brake like that. Pull up on it, hold it until we get the message back on the screen that it's reactivated. All right. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me, or leave me a comment if you could. And I hope to see you again in another Toyota video.